IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you celebrate the new year? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I do celebrate New Year, but not very big. I usually stay at home with my family and watch TV. Sometimes we go outside to see fireworks.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, hesitant sentences, limited detail. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, e.g. celebrate, go outside, watch TV. Grammar, simple structures, some errors, not very big. Pronunciation, generally understandable but lacks natural rhythm. Typical of a band 5. Can talk about familiar topics but with limited range and accuracy. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I do. I usually celebrate New Year's Eve with my family and close friends. We have dinner together, watch the fireworks at midnight, and make resolutions for the coming year. It's a nice way to start fresh.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and natural flow with clear organization. Lexical resource. Uses some idiomatic and topic-appropriate vocabulary. Resolutions start fresh. Grammar. Mostly accurate with a mix of complex and simple structures. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm and intonation. Easy to follow. Typical of a band 7.5. Speaks fluently with good control and variety of language. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. New Year's is one of my favorite celebrations. My friends and I usually gather to reflect on the past year, share a meal, and count down to midnight together. I love the sense of renewal. It feels like pressing the reset button on life.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless delivery with natural pacing and strong cohesion. Lexical resource. Sophisticated expressions, reflect on, sense of renewal, pressing the reset button. Grammar. Flawless use of tenses and complex sentence structures. Pronunciation. Clear, expressive, and fully natural. Typical of a band 9. Precise, idiomatic, and naturally expressive speech with no noticeable errors. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.